What's up, everybody? It's Buddy from 2 Alpha Tools. Hope everybody's having a good day. As always, I hope this video finds you well. Can you guess what time it is? It's tool haul time. I got a couple tools that I was waiting on back order. They finally arrived. Let's get them open, see what we got. Just like Matthew McConaughey's first lines on Hollywood. All right. We got the Lisle Pocket Pry Bar 2-piece set. Like I said, these items were on back order. I've been waiting for a long time to get these in. And apparently, these are the best pocket pry bars out there. Allegedly, we'll say. They are full square stock, magnetic on the ends. Looks like it's just on this one. Let's get this open with my VIM. Shout out to VIM Tools for this knife. Guess what I paid for this knife? Not a penny. VIM was doing a special. If you guys missed it, I'm sorry that you did miss it, but if you bought $100 worth of stuff on their website, then you got a free gift and you got your name put into a raffle. Did not win the raffle, but that's okay because still got this awesome knife, real sharp knife, great tool from VIM. I'm actually happy with every VIM tool that I've gotten. Like I said, really sharp, so you got to be careful. Now these are Lisle, who normally will have made in America stuff. This one is made in China. However, that's not to say that it is a bad part. We're not just going to throw this away because it is made in China. So both pocket pry bars do have the pocket clips on them. Magnetic on the end. Look at that magnet. Good job for Lisle. Really coming through, making pocket pry bars out of square stock. Like I said, from what I know, these are the best ones out there. Couple YouTube content creators, they've all said that these are the ones to get. These are the #1 new bestsellers on Amazon. So this is going to go into my arsenal of Let It Go. For all you pet owners out there, especially dogs, when you say let it go, the dog doesn't let it go. This is kind of that starting point of need you to let that go, and then you try it. If that doesn't work, you go into something bigger like these awesome made in USA pry bars. Move up to there. If that don't work, that's when we get to real serious work. Now, let's get this box open, see what we got in here. Put that up before I make a trip to the hospital. We have our Orion Motor Tech 5-piece pickle fork ball joint separator. I'll pick these up because I got some work in the very, very near future that I definitely need to stop ignoring. And there is a strong possibility that I will be using these. I had a pickle fork, one single pickle fork, and I don't know what happened to it, but it was just the one. So I picked these up. Did not realize it's going to be in this nice little EVA foam tray. This is really, really well designed. There, now we can get a better look. So, 5 different sizes. You can see different angle here from this one to this one. So if you're doing ball joints, these really come in handy. If you can't get it with, you know, whatever flavor of pry bar you have, whether it be green, red, blue handles, whatever, then you can get on it with these pickle fork sets. Let's get these out. See the difference here? You can do these for your tie rods. If you're doing tie rods, or your ball joints. I think it even says that you can do it for a pitman arm. One of these in here would be for if you're grabbing there for a pitman arm. But basically anything that you can really get the pry bar into. Now, they do sell pneumatic, which are really good, have really good reviews on the pneumatic ones that are full pieces. My personal opinion, they have some that are just a handle, and then the heads are removable. And these would essentially be cut right here, and then there would be a threaded bolt, we'll call it, and then these would have nut inserts on them, and they would thread onto it. Those I wanted to stay away from, because I just feel like as much as I wallop on things, that I would just snap that. So I wanted a 5 full piece set. I think it was like $50. Wasn't too bad. But definitely, if I have to do what I think I'm gonna have to do in the near future, like I said, then I will give my review on these. Yeah, like I said, real thick. That is a measures. The Milwaukee. What we got? So basically, it's looking like 7/8 inches, 7/8. Right there. Yeah, thick foam tray, about 15/16. Might keep them in the foam tray. We'll see. Well, that's all we got for today. Tried to keep it really short. I'm really excited about getting these pocket pry bars. I would highly advise everyone go get some. They're only $12 on Amazon. They're really good. I can think of a bunch of different reasons why you should have one of these. I mean, this little pry bar can really get into electrical connector. Plus it has the magnet on the top. You can't go wrong. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.